Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Curly Dimples. So I just wanted to come on here really fast because last night I scooped out the gel out of an aloe vera leaf and I put it in a container and I want to put it in my hair. So this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see. It's a little runny. It's a little cold too because it was in the fridge. But I put it in this container to put in my hair because it is my secret for long-lasting moisture. And it really, I don't know what my hair would be without aloe vera, let me just say. So I put it in my hair and I sleep with it overnight. So this hair is freshly conditioned. I don't use a lot of shampoo, and it has been finger detangled, so there obviously would be some knots still, but this is without any product, literally out the shower hair. So I'm excited to get some moisture going and revive it. Usually what you would do is you would blend it. That might probably be the better thing to do, but because I don't have a lot of time, I'm just gonna use the liquid and steep it through so it has a liquid. I don't want to go outside with chunks of aloe in my hair, so I'm gonna use the liquid and run it through and start my day. So I'm just letting you tag along with me through the process.
Some of you just get me. We have our fun and we forget it. It's the way I want it and you text it. More you do it to me, baby.
And this is so good for your hair. So what I'm doing is I'm just dipping my hands in, getting some of the liquid, and then just literally applying it to my hair. So that way, when I'm done applying, I can like put it up or something and go about my day and it'll be fine because no one will know. And the good thing about aloe vera, it's actually a really good thing, is that there's no potent smell, you know? There's really no potent smell. So you'd be fine in the workplace or on campus, you'll really be fine. If you don't have the actual aloe vera branch, then you can use aloe vera juice or gel, something similar. Let me show you what it is because I have some as well, but I honestly just prefer the natural way. To be quite honest with you, I do. But let me show you how the other one looks. Aloe vera gel. This is pretty good too. Green Leaf Naturals. Can you see? Oh, focus on this. So this is also pretty good. But for all my island people, you guys know what aloe vera is.
Just do it, don't be afraid. Please don't hurt me. I want your love.
way of basically trying to reap the benefits of aloe vera in a quick, easy way. So this is how I do it without all the mess. But to actually, you know, have long-term moisture and you can see the difference in feel, I would recommend you sleep with the chunks blended up, because these are scooped, right? So you blend up the chunks and put it in your hair overnight. So I can also show you guys that if you're interested, but this is the quick way to get the benefits, like I said, without the mess. So just get the liquid. Just get the liquid and put it in your hair, and then you can style it. No one will know that you have aloe in your hair. You know, I hope you guys try this because it's really kind of fun and it's really good. It's healthy. And when you try the sleeping with it version, you will notice that the chunks in the morning, they'll turn purple. I just might film that for you guys, I don't know. But yeah, this is how I do it. This is my secret for healthy hair, healthy natural hair. So thank you for watching.